So I'm in the old warehouse district, or the remnants of what's left of it. And drive around through here. Hey, Chat GPT, tell me about the Detroit warehouse district and what happened to it.
The Detroit Warehouse District is a historic area in downtown Detroit, located near the riverfront. It was once a bustling hub for trade and commerce, with many warehouses serving as storage facilities for goods arriving by rail and ship. The district was part of Detroit's industrial boom in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. However, like many urban areas, it began to decline after World War II. As industries moved out of the city and the economy shifted, many of the warehouses were abandoned. The area became less active, and buildings fell into disrepair. In recent years, the district has seen some revitalization efforts, with new developments and projects aiming to preserve its historic buildings while introducing modern amenities. It's now part of the larger trend of Detroit's ongoing revival, attracting businesses, residents, and visitors.
Tell me more about the Detroit warehouse district.
The Detroit Warehouse District, also known as the Detroit Riverfront District, was once a bustling and important area for trade and industry. It stretches along the Detroit River, close to the city's downtown, and played a crucial role in Detroit's rise as an industrial powerhouse. The district's warehouses were strategically located to handle goods arriving by ships, trains, and trucks, making it a key part of the transportation and distribution network. In the early 20th century, the district was filled with large, sturdy warehouses built to store everything from manufactured goods to raw materials. Detroit's manufacturing boom, especially in the automobile industry, meant the area was always active, and the district contributed significantly to the city's economic growth. However, after World War II, as the city's industrial base began to shift and many businesses moved to suburban areas, the warehouse district started to decline. Many of the buildings were abandoned or repurposed, and by the 1970s and 1980s, the area had fallen into neglect. Urban decay and the population exodus left a once thriving state of disrepair. In recent years, though, there have been efforts to revitalize the Detroit warehouse district. These efforts include transforming some of the old warehouses into lofts, apartments, and office spaces. The area has also seen the introduction of new businesses, restaurants, and cultural attractions. This revitalization is part of the broader resurgence happening in Detroit, where abandoned or underutilized spaces are being given new life. Despite this, the district still retains some of its historic charm, with many of the old buildings reflecting the city's industrial past. The juxtaposition of old and new in the area continues to attract attention, making it an interesting spot for both residents and visitors who want to experience the blend of Detroit's rich history and its emerging future.